Okay, now by question 8, by referring from this diagram here, what is the value A representing for? So if you remember, this is actually telling us about, this is actually a graph for the photoelectric punya experiment, a variation of them. So if you look at that, it's actually telling us about the work function lah. If you see this table here, this is the photoelectric equation. So basically the y-intercept, which is point A, is telling us about the work function. Okay, all right. Work function, if you look at this, it is divided by E because this is gonna give us the work function in electron volts saja. Gitu je ba tu? Okay, right. And then question B, state the equation of the graph and define each of the symbols. So this is Kmax, that is Y equal to mx. So the x is the frequency, and the gradient is gonna tell us about it's gonna be equal to the Planck's constant, and then this is gonna be the y-intercept, which is the work function. Okay, so define each of them. Maximum kinetic energy, this is photon energy, this is work function. Ito dyan ka mo tulis. Okay, and then question C, we have to determine the value of work function and threshold wavelength. Okay, so the work function, we can actually calculate that by using this, where the threshold frequency is at this point. So this is the threshold frequency. Okay, so that would tells us the work function to be equal to this value here. And then the threshold wavelength, we are gonna use this equation of frequency. Okay, alright, and that is gonna be equal to 6 times 10 negative 7 meter. Okay, so you can actually also use the work function punya equation. I don't actually remember, but then you can also use the speed of light punya equation lah, but use the threshold frequency punya value. Okay, so yeah, that is for question number 8.